What if love crossed not just time, but universes? Peter Parker, the hero who always puts others first. Peggy Carter, the soldier who never backs down. Two hearts born in different eras, brought together by one thing, the courage to do what's right. This is not a story of war or webs, but of what happens when heart meets heroism. Welcome to The Web and the Shield. 1. Across time and war. It began during a temporal anomaly caused by Kang the Conqueror. Time rifts opened across dimensions, pulling heroes from different worlds into one fractured reality. Spider-Man swung through chaos in Manhattan, saving civilians from collapsing buildings. When a flash of red, white, and blue burst through the smoke, Captain Carter's shield raised, fearless. The super soldier from another universe. Peter cracked a joke. Peggy didn't laugh, not right away. But when she saw him risking his life for strangers, unarmed against Kang's time soldiers, she smiled. He reminded her of someone she once loved, Steve Rogers. And maybe that's where it began. 2. Duty and heart. The Avengers were gone. Reality was rewriting itself. Peter and Peggy led a resistance, a team of displaced heroes fighting to preserve timelines. Late nights planning strategies turned into quiet conversations. He told her about Aunt May. She told him about Steve and what it means to outlive your time. Peggy admired his selflessness. Peter admired her discipline. When Peter tried to fix the time fracture, risking erasure, Peggy stopped him. Her hand on his shoulder. Peggy, you can't save everyone, Parker. Sometimes you save who you can, and that's enough. It wasn't love at first sight. It was love forged through respect, pain, and shared sacrifice. 3. The Wedding of Heroes. When the multiverse finally stabilized, Peter and Peggy remained stranded together in a new merged timeline. They built something new, a world where both the super soldier and the spider existed side by side. The wedding was intimate on the rebuilt Brooklyn Bridge. Captain America's shield served as the wedding stand. Nick Fury officiated. Tony Stark, of that universe, joked, "The smartest kid in the room marrying the bravest woman alive, good luck, Parker." Peggy wore a sleek white military-style gown. Peter wore a tuxedo with subtle webbing patterns. When they kissed, the crowd cheered not for two heroes, but for two humans who found peace at last. For the Shield and the Web. Together they became legends. Captain Carter led global peace efforts with Shield 2.0. Spider-Man became her partner in both science and strategy. They formed the Vanguard Initiative, a hybrid of Avengers and Shield, training new heroes. But peace never lasts forever. A new Hydra, led by Arnim Zola's AI, returned, this time infecting time itself. Peggy and Peter fought side by side, Shield and Web, courage and quick thinking. When Peggy was mortally wounded in battle, Peter refused to leave her. Peggy weakly. "Promise me, Peter, keep building, keep believing, the world needs that." He held her as the time fracture sealed, her body fading into the temporal light. But her shield remained, engraved with a web pattern. 5. Legacy of the Web and the Shield. Years later, a museum stands in London, the Hall of Heroes. A single exhibit holds Captain Carter's shield and a Spider-Man mask fused together. And in the crowd, a young woman watches. May Carter Parker, their daughter, a soldier-scientist hybrid. Trained in tactics, armed with web-tech gauntlets. She takes up her parents' mission as the Guardian Spider. Her motto? Lead with courage, protect with compassion. As she swings through the skyline, she glances at her reflection, a web over a shield, and smiles. Because even across time, love leaves a legacy that outlasts the universe itself. He was the boy who believed in responsibility. She was the woman who believed in duty. Together they proved that love is the bridge between eras, between what was and what could be. What if Spider-Man married Captain Carter? Then the future would be guarded by both the Web and the Shield.